Excuse me. Hi, do you speak English? Hello, my name is Sam. I'm a photographer. I take photos of people for free. I like your style. You look very nice, very beautiful. So I just wanted to ask if you like one photo. It's completely free. Awesome. What's your name? Katie? I'm Sam. Nice to meet you. So it'll be very quick, okay? Now, Kelly, do you have a favorite profile? Yes, no?
This one maybe?
This one?
Sure.
Or we can say that you're perfect on both sides.
Okay.
If you want. So can you stand like this?
Okay.
And can I get a serious face? If you can. Yes. Beautiful. Can I get a pose like that? If you can.
Like that?
Yes. Whew. What makes you happy in life?
Nature.
That's beautiful. Well, here's the photos.
Oh. I like it. Yes. It's beautiful.